Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of milk for the sauce base. Don't forget about 200 grams of your favorite pasta, along with salt, black pepper, and some mixed herbs for seasoning. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now let's get that pasta cooking perfectly. Boil about 4 cups of water, adding a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of oil to prevent sticking. Cook your pasta until it's al dente, which means it's firm to the bite, then drain it well. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate pan over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring continuously to create a smooth roux. This is the foundation of our delicious white sauce. With our roux ready, it's time to transform it into a luscious white sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens to a beautiful, creamy consistency that coats the back of a spoon. Now, let's season it perfectly. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of mixed herbs to infuse that wonderful aroma and taste. Your sauce is almost done. The moment of truth. Gently add your cooked pasta to the rich, creamy white sauce. Toss everything together until each strand is beautifully coated. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated cheese. It truly elevates the dish. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other amazing deals. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately and savor every bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.